The AF300 series machine makes use of the Caterpillar cab. Let's look at the operator controls a little more closely. On the left side of the cab are the 5 IMT pilot levers. The first 2 levers control the movement of the mast tilting cylinders. The third lever controls the boom up and down function. The fourth lever controls the derrick and upper mast section. And the 5th IMT pilot lever controls the auxiliary winch. To the right of the IMT pilot levers are the 2 standard Caterpillar travel levers, which move the machine either forward or reverse. To the right of the travel levers is the IMT computer display and panel. To the right of that is the Caterpillar computer display and panel, and the operation and function of the CAT display is clearly explained in the Caterpillar operator and maintenance manual. On the right side against the window is a panel that contains the ignition key, the engine dial indicator, as well as a number of Caterpillar buttons that the use and function of are clearly explained in the operator and maintenance manual. Moving forward to the Caterpillar joysticks. On the right hand side, the CAT joystick makes use of the rotary circuit, either up or down the mast, or the drilling direction, either clockwise or anti-clockwise. On the outside of the window on the right hand side of the cab are 3 pressure gauges. The first 2 gauges indicate the pressure of the Caterpillar hydraulic pumps, and the 3rd gauge indicates the pressure on the IMT pump. The right hand side Caterpillar joystick is used to control the rotary function, either up or down the mast, as well as the drilling direction, either clockwise or anti-clockwise. Also on the joystick are 2 buttons that allow the operator to select whatever rotary speed he will be drilling in. The thumb slide on the right hand side joystick is used to control the movement of the mast in combination with a press button on the floor. It'll move the mast either forward or backward. The left hand side Caterpillar joystick controls the movement of the main winch, either up or down, and also controls the movement of the house, swinging it either left or right. The thumb slide on the left hand side joystick controls the movement of the mast in conjunction with the press button on the floor. It'll move the mast either left or right. The IMT computer display and panel monitors and controls various drilling functions out on the mast. We have the mast level indicator, we have a winch speed indicator, we have a rotary torque indicator, and we have a swing indicator. We also have a depth meter and a gear selector indicator showing the operator which rotary speed is currently selected. On the lower panel, we have a speed selector indicator, which allows the operator to select between 1st, 2nd, or 3rd drilling speeds. And below that, we have a blue button that is called the high speed button, which allows the operator to select between low speed and high speed. The bottom row of buttons on the panel, firstly, is an oil filter indicator light. This light will be illuminated when the IMT filter requires servicing. The green light is used to reset the depth meter. The P2 button allows the operator to split the Caterpillar pumps, depending on job site conditions. This green light is used to turn the operating lights on or off. The very last 2 buttons control the use of the mast foot, either up or down. To the left of that are 2 yellow buttons that are used to control the oscillator system, which is an added feature on this machine. To the left of that is a yellow auxiliary button that switches between the upper mast and the derrick functions. Then on the very end on the left hand side is an override button that controls the override functions of the main winch, the auxiliary winch, as well as the boom circuit.